Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Sense and Skin Part 3. Bingo! Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Method of thermoinsulation employed by humans to conserve heat in cold conditions. The arterioles nearest to the surface are constricted, that is, made narrower, so less blood flows to the body surface and less heat is lost to the atmosphere. Shock stimulates the vasoconstriction response. A. Sweat pore. B. Vision. C. Thermoreceptors. D. Vasoconstriction. And the answer is D. Vasoconstriction. The sensation resulting from stimulation of the light receptors in the eye. It allows the shape and color of an object to be perceived, i.e., the sense of seeing. Sight. A. Sweat pore. B. Vision. C. Thermoreceptors. D. Vasoconstriction. And the answer is B. Vision. Minute opening in surface of organism through which sweat passes to the exterior. A. Sweat pore. B. Vision. C. Thermoreceptors. D. Vasoconstriction. And the answer is A. Sweat pore. Sensory receptors that respond to changes in temperature. A. Sweat pore. B. Vision. C. Thermoreceptors. D. Vasoconstriction. And the answer is C. Thermoreceptors. Tube that drains tears into nose and throat. A. Cochlea. B. Tear duct. C. Anvil or incus. D. Oscars. And the answer is B. Tear duct. Small bones in middle ear. Malleus, which is equal to hammers. Incus, which is the same as anvil. Stapes, which is the same as tear. They amplify vibrations of the eardrum. A. Cochlea. B. Tear duct. C. Anvil or incus. D. Oscars. And the answer is D. Oscars. The second of three bones, those are the oscars in the middle ear. The oscars amplify the vibrations of eardrum. A. Cochlea. B. Tear duct. C. Anvil or incus. D. Oscars. And the answer is C. Anvil or incus. Coil the tube of inner ear sensitive to sound, concerned with hearing. A. Cochlea. B. Tear duct. C. Anvil or incus. D. Oscars. And the answer is A. Cochlea. The nerve transmitting impulses, that is, created by sound, from the cochlea to the brain. A. Binocular vision. B. Cones. C. Conified layer. D. Auditory nerve. And the answer is D. Auditory nerve. Layer of the skin composed of dead cells containing the protein keratin. A. Binocular vision. B. Cones. C. Conified layer. D. Auditory nerve. And the answer is C. Conified layer. Having two eyes or using two eyes at the same time when looking at an object allows distance and true position in space to be estimated. A. Binocular vision. B. Cones. C. Conified layer. D. Auditory nerve. And the answer is A. Binocular vision. Cells in the fovea of the retina of the eye stimulated by bright light. There are three types. Each type responds to a different color, that is red, green, and blue, giving color vision. A. Binocular vision. B. Cones. C. Conified layer. D. Auditory nerve. And the answer is B. Cones. Organ of hearing and balance. A. Convex lens. B. Chemoreceptors. C. Ear. D. Ciliary body. And the answer is C. Ear. Has a rounded exterior surface used to correct long-sightedness. It bends the rays of the light inwards. A converging lens. A. Convex lens. B. Chemoreceptors. C. Ear. D. Ciliary body. And the answer is A. Convex lens. Sensory receptors that respond to the presence of chemicals. For example, receptors in the tongue for taste and nose for smell. A. Convex lens. B. Chemoreceptors. C. Ear. D. Ciliary body. And the answer is B. Chemoreceptors. front portion of the cork in the eye, which contains the ciliary muscles. A. Convex lens. B. Chemoreceptors. C. Ear. D. Ciliary body. And the answer is D. Ciliary body. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in Sense and Skin Part 3. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.